if you are planning to come to Krathong Festival in Phuket, then this is the mayhem you're going to need to get through to get there. This is everyone heading to Krathong Festival, which is basically just putting some flowers in the water and pushing your putting something on there that's supposed to take all your bad spirits away. Nothing really all that exciting, and yet look at it, absolute mayhem. This is Phuket Marketplace. Loads of little food stalls and gatherings of people. This is where it's going to happen. It is going to be absolutely chock-a-block for the Krathong Festival. The festival of basically send a little boat out into the water with all your problems on it and it goes away. Look at these lovely places. Amazing. The indoor market here at Phuket's Krathong. As you can see, it's full of families, people bring their kids out. It's a celebration day and so nice to see so many happy people enjoying themselves.
Believe it or not, the origins of this festival trace back to India. Loy Krathong takes place on the evening of the full moon of the 12th month in the traditional Thai lunar calendar. Thus, the exact date of the festival changes every year. In the Western calendar, this usually falls in the month of November. The name could be translated as to float ritual vessels or lamp, and comes from the tradition of making krathong or buoyant decorated baskets which are then floated on a river. Many Thais use the krathong to thank the goddess of water and river. This festival is celebrated by a lot of Thailand's neighbouring countries, including Laos, China, Sri Lanka, Cambodia, just to mention a few. In Chiang Mai, to the north of Thailand, this festival can actually last for up to 3 days. The traditional krathong used for the floating at festivals are made from a sliced banana tree trunk or a spider lily plant. Modern krathongs are more often made of bread or styrofoam. A bread krathong will disintegrate after a few days and can be eaten by fish. Banana stalk krathongs are also biodegradable, but styrofoam krathongs are increasingly banned as they pollute rivers and oceans. A krathong is decorated with elaborately folded banana leaves, 3 incense sticks and a candle. A small coin is sometimes included as an offering to the river spirits. On the night of the full moon, Thais launch their krathong on a river, canal or a pond. The floats are thought to have been introduced to Chiang Mai in 1947 and have since been incorporated into Thai culture. Government offices, corporations and other organisations launch large decorated krathongs. There are competitions for the best of these large krathongs. Beauty contests often accompany the festivals, and fireworks have also become quite common. The practice of Loy Krathong in Thailand, which roots Hindu in origin, derived from the Hindu festival of Diwali. Hinduism has existed in Suvarnabhumi in a syncretistic relationship with Buddhism, at least since 5th century BC.
All different types of sushi here. Absolute mayhem, just packed. I don't really do lots of people things, but for the sake of getting some video footage, I've decided to today, and this is it. Krathong Phuket, the indoor market. Again, loads of these little flower bed things that you can put your cutting of your fingernail or a bit of your hair on and send all your bad spirits away, or problems or whatever you have that you want to get rid of. Yeah, send it off one of these little fellas and it'll all be gone.
A few moments later.
Always fascinates me seeing this. People are literally just eating a bowl of boiled eggs. They're all different colours. I don't know if they aren't actually that colour, but interesting stuff. Right, my little boat's ready to set sail. All I've got to do is give it a blessing and say, well, my merry friend, all my problems may they be gone, and happy days. And this is the spot where everyone comes and sets sail to their little boats with all their problems on them. It's supposed to be good luck as well, it's supposed to bring good luck. Happy days. There you have it. My little boat is ready to sail. I've put a few coins on there as well, and all I've got to do is say a farewell to all my problems and hopefully get some good luck as well. Happy days. Here we go. There you go, look. Everyone's saying their little prayers and wishing themselves good luck. Some people even getting in the water, look, to do it. I think that's pushing the boat out a little bit far. I think they charge 20 baht for you to give them your bed of flowers and they send it on its merry way. Yeah, this is Krathong Festival, Phuket 2025. All those little boats getting sailed away with people's problems on them, all just for good luck basically. There you have it. Happy days. There she goes. She's taken my boat and put it in the water and it's off on its merry way. Look at that. Goodbye all my problems. Goodbye, and may good luck come my way. That's where everyone's put their little boats in the water and sent their problems away. Phuket Krathong Festival 2025. Job done.